Hi, I'm Shawn. I'm a service advisor here at Saratoga Honda, and today I'm going to go over the maintenance minder system within your car. Honda no longer has a recommended time or mileage interval for doing the service. It now has a maintenance minder system which tells you what to do as you go along with the vehicle. So the maintenance minder system does save you trips to the dealership, costs less money, and also has a positive impact on the environment through natural resources. The onboard computer system starts at 100%, and depending on your driving conditions and use of the vehicle, it goes down from there, counting down to 15%, which will bring up your maintenance minder system. You'll see a small orange wrench on the dash, and it will also give you a message of service due soon, or it will give you the code and percentage of your oil life. At 5%, the dash will change to service due now, which means take your vehicle to the local Honda dealer now. At 0% service past due, your vehicle service is overdue. Take your vehicle to your Honda dealer now. When your maintenance minder light is on, you will always see a main code of either A or B. A, replace just the engine oil. B, replace the engine oil, oil filter, inspect front and rear brakes, check the parking brake adjustment, and inspect other specific items to the vehicle. At times, there will also be a subcode with numbers 1 through 6. 1, rotate the tires. 2, replace the air cleaner element and check the drive belts and replace the dust and pollen filter. 3, replace the transmission fluid and transfer case fluid if applicable. 4, replace the spark plugs, replace the timing belt if equipped, inspect the water pump and inspect the valve clearance. 5, replace the engine coolant, and 6, replace the rear differential fluid if equipped. So a couple questions that come up quite often are, how often is the oil changed in a car, or does the maintenance minder show up? And it does show up about every 6,000 miles, giving you a code and a request for maintenance to be able to move forward with your vehicle. The 6,000 mile mark is the average for getting your maintenance done to your car, but depending on your driving conditions, it can be anywhere from 5,000 miles up to 7,500 miles or more. Another question that comes up is the car has a B service on the maintenance minder system. And is it really necessary, or can you get away with just the A service? The maintenance minder is not just an oil change indicator, it tracks all vehicle maintenance. Doing the recommended maintenance will provide you with continued reliability, longer vehicle life, continued warranty coverage, and better resale value. So when your maintenance minder tells you that it's time for service, just give us a call or look us up online, and we'll be more than happy to help out.